Ijele vow to arrest all Autopilot IPOB members if they come to Nigeria. As he went ahead and be writing their name in his book for federal government. That one no do. Now he can claim the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ijele say no be na he know about am, saying give the information, saying this also place even before they go bam for where in dey. That one no do. He say na Simon Ekpa and the member na then they kpai people for southeast as in dey talk. Ijele. This guy he don dey too much and nobody as he even come Imo State. We no hear Ipob, we no hear shim. However, we'll go find out how this thing take happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be smarty, no. I see the hot, now so will they bring and they come. Would they get information? Say they don't tell some people. Say maybe they know they engage. Some information. Say those information where they engage. Na distraction to the struggle. That one a big lie. Anybody will tell you that means say na you be mumu for inside. Because anybody will like information. Information na be the key. Whether good or bad, they have to get the information and take the one will be say it good for you and stand for your memory. The one will be say it no good for you. And made that one they go for person to tell you say no listen to wetin this person talk. You must listen to wetin that person talk so that a day will come where you will use those information to talk or to teach or to tell people say so time so person say so thing. But if you are because of your ignorance, you don't want to hear, don't want to know what is going on, and you don't want to listen to anybody, you have scrolled the information. Somebody will be telling you and you'll be agreeing the person that this did not happen. Why the person said it? Because somebody have tell you as your oga, no listen to these people, no listen to information, no this na distraction. That is a very big lie. I'm telling you the truth. If you like, take it. If you like, do not take it. But however, let's jump into this matter and hear what Ijele talk. I'm not going to talk anything here. I'm going to play you the video for you to watch from beginning to end and see what this young man talk. He say na him know about the kidnap of Nnamdi Kanu, and he also went ahead and said that some group of boys are confessing that Simon Ekpa the one sending them to buy people. This one shocked me, but we're going to play the video for you to watch before we come back and continue.
The topic. You know, I told you people, I will still go to the one that's happening at Umuhokabia, where ESM people went and carried the family of someone who used to be with them before, but realized that this is a scam, decided to withdraw, got amnesty from the government, and decided to protect his community. They now went after his family. The guy went after their own family too. Like I told you people, this is how this nonsense will end. You see, Alibu, it will be sanitized, but very dangerous and drastic measures need to be taken. You see all these intimidations they are doing to people. They think they can just humiliate somebody. Maybe some of them because your brother is in the police or army. Like, when it gets to family, this nonsense will stop. And this is where it's going to. I'm telling you, of course, it will not take long. It will be so short, but very bloody. You don't want it, I don't want it, but this is the only way it ends. This is the only way it ends. And this is the only way you teach people, make them know that you're serious. Okay? So this one now, the two people, Young Money and Papa Ejima, or Papa Ejima and Kem, they are exposing each other. Now, the people who shared the video thought they are exposing, of course, na Simon Ekpa group, but the other one has gone back to their DOS. Ask yourself, that their DOS he has gone back to, are they selling crayfish and Maggi there? Guys, please hit the like button, like and share the video. Like and share the video. He has gone back to the DOS to sell crayfish and Maggi, or to continue the buying, they've been buying people. This is what you should bear in mind. Like, There is no good person in this voice note that I'm going to analyze. There is no innocent person there, but I am going to explain everything so you understand what has been going on. Once again, what we've been saying would happen, has happened. And they have gone on to explain to us that they are the ones who've been buying people. Okay? So let's begin. I don't know if I think the volume is high enough. I wouldn't need to. Okay, I don't even understand the point you are making. I don't know why you are wasting your data then. I don't know why you're wasting your data then. If you don't understand my point, you are not coming here with an open mind. It's that simple. Approach this platform with an open mind and all your doubts will be cleared. Okay? This video. No, I'm sure it's somewhere here. I'm coming, guys. I'm sure it's somewhere around here. See the video. Yeah, I have it. Those of you who don't understand Igbo, I will be analyzing. So during the analysis, you will be able to hear what they are saying. So let's begin. If you are not hearing it well, let me know.
Give me your support. Like, share the videos, and the most importantly, follow the page. Give me your maximum support. I'm still your brother, critical thinker. I can do the busy. Everybody sheriff in town. You gotta go.
The person talking now is Young Money. He is now speaking to some people. You will hear he say, "Name we go new sheriff." He don't even service because he said sheriff. New sheriff in town. So let's hear him. Young Money.
No election. Party and not actively participated in the election, which means that all those who are behind it no election, she was actively participating in Nigerian politics. Even the wave of Nigerian politics is even still blowing in Nigeria. All of a sudden, now is the chief of staff of the Biafra government in exile. Now is chief of staff. Man, it's a shame. It's a shame.
He said he mentioned one name, Ngozi Orabueze. That is the chief of staff to their prime minister in exile, Simon Ekpa, this Tozo. He there with them for Finland, he still wear bulletproof, but now the same people made they go, they buy soldier and police. And those boys, then they buy them every time. You self, where they Nigeria no say, you know go buy police and army and they leave you. You must collect. You must collect. Okay? You must collect. Very seriously. But this one is saying that he left Autopilot because they told them there will be no election. But Ngozi Orabueze is a member of a political party. They say she's living in the north. Ngozi took over from Azuka. Azuka was fired by Simon. Okay. Azuka, the one where the husband, na soldier. Abi. Azuka, where the husband die, na. You will say the guy don't retire. Where I hear say na they supply them this one, where then they use. Azuka. Oh, Simon fired Azuka. Hey. Kita kununa. I didn't know. Where was I when this one happened? Ngozi Orabueze, the new chief of staff He's a member of a political party in Nigeria and participating in politics. Meanwhile, they were telling these boys to be shouting no election, no election. While they were shouting no election, they will be buying people and politicians will call them from behind, use them to work. Have you seen how this thing works? But your brother, my brother, your nephew, my nephew, your uncle, my uncle, will be put in harm's way. They will be telling them don't participate in politics. But they themselves are participating in politics and holding power. They know without politics, you will not have power. The same way they will tell your own brothers, my own brothers, to join ESN. Don't join the police, don't join the army. But their own brothers and sisters and the police and in the army, any day they want to intimidate you, they will go and call them and tell them to go and arrest this one. You, your own don't finish. Woe betide you if you be ESN. Now that time they go bring what you do under ESN. Where they send you, go do. Where you think say you do and for Biafra, they go carry on, go jail you for court. Go ask Omio, the terrorism charges where the answer for Spain. Go ask Akwara family where their son dey. And that will take end. Are you understanding it now? So this one now come dey vex. Now they explain so. Let's continue.
When we be under autopilot, I just we're fighting for more than one. This we know when he left autopilot, I'm my home in mass media. We know.
Wait, Chiamaka Ajere don't even come on for IPO autopilot too. Umuada Highway disbanded by Simon. Wait, Chiamaka Ajere, that refugee in Italy. So he even left. Make he do finish, come back to Nigeria. I say I get people who I don't jot down their name. Ozuzucha, Nigeria. Oh, that one too, don't come out. Ha! We are coming.
It's always a saboteur. Once a rebel, it's always a rebel. You can't just bring a rebel closer. Anybody that rebelled against you, then something prompted him or her to rebel against you. Anything that makes him to return back is to finish up the job. This is what we are saying. This case no Chico Justin Ume, case no Daddy Orama. We know what he said about autopilot. Autopilot is Ibu and Wabala. She have returned back to finish up the job. People are on standby now. Watch. Yeah? I know people who identify with Simon and autopilot, they killed the Biafra land.
You see, he said the other one where you just mentioned now. Say that one. They know what they talk about autopilot and this thing, but he know how many people where them don't buy for Biafra land. Now, this thing did not start with these people though. Remember when Nnamdi made a proclamation in one of his mindless outbursts of a broadcast that anybody that leaves IPOB, small time Fulani herdsmen will buy the person. Now we don't know who the Fulani herdsmen be. So this one now, in they expose the other lady, say he know how many people where those people don't buy. You know why I tell you say no hero did this story? Because you go still hear the one where him young money buy too. Then go anybody where him brain don't they open. If you begin ask question, fiam Waka Waka Biafra waiting do am. Waka Waka Biafra waiting do Waka Waka Biafra waiting by Waka Waka Biafra. George Onibe, how many times they poison him to fire? The last one na in family saver. If no be in family, if for don't waka like Waka Waka Biafra, two of them now then they give the thing the same time. So this one now don't talk say, oh, that one, he don't go back autopilot now. But he know how many people, even people for autopilot, where that one don't buy. Have you seen how human lives are worthless in our place? Have you seen how they've cheapened the lives of our own people? Have you seen how these people have made our, like, what you never thought you would see in your lifetime? Look back in 1997. Did you ever think half of what is happening right now in our Igbo will be happening? I've told you people, the only time sanity exists in our Igbo is whenever we have military rule. Go and check now. Intimidation of people with the police was not happening under the military. It was very rare. All these assassinations, whatever, because everything they are doing is for money. And once money is involved, many of our people are willing to buy without mercy. Without mercy. This is the reality people are living, but no one wants to talk about it. Let's continue. Thank you, Social King, for the 50 stars.
Just because they identify themselves as autopilots, they killed them. Today, they had to see one another thing. Get the opposite way kidnap Omas and Nandekan. Look at your election.
Please, nobody kidnapped Nâmes because of election. Nobody kidnapped. Nigeria did not have a general election in 2021. The only place there was an election in the southeast was the Anambra State gubernatorial election. And there is nobody in Anambra that has a hand in the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu. Not Ifeanyi Ubah, not Joe Igbokwe, not Ngige, not any of these people they've been mentioning their names. None of them has a hand in the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu. Once again, remember on the 10th of June 2021, I made a video and said that Nnamdi Kanu dey Southern Cameroon. The person will give me the information, they watch this broadcast. Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. Hit the like button and share if you haven't done that. You must not send stars, but if you send stars, I go collect, I no go reject them. And remember to subscribe to the page if you so please. If you love what we are doing here, to the extent that you can support the platform, whichever way, through stars, subscription, likes, positive comments, share, all of them are contribution. I know said then they fight Kanuta, but I never see their broadcast. I never get time do all those things. On the 10th of June 2021, I made a video and said Nnamdi Kanu was in Southern Cameroon. Weeks later, less than 2 weeks later, about 2 weeks later, he was brought back to Nigeria. And why are you people continuing to do this? You are using these lies to soil politics in the southeast. That way nobody will have time to discuss ideological politics. That is why APGA, which has rendered Anambra State hopeless, is still there in power. You must not vote for the party I'm voting for. Check the characters they are presenting to you in your state and choose that person. But you would have to be equipped with all the necessary information. Now they are feeding you garbage. To you, you believe you have information. You are not making an informed decision. That is why all these people you are seeing, all the cabals that exist in the southeast are from the church. If these people that call themselves Ndomenana, all these fake people, these magicians you people call native doctors, Ayayanandoha, Akwakukan group, Ezobi, all these people, they are the people these guys are using.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, I don't hear everything where Ijele talk for this particular video concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa and the Igbos at large. But brother, let me tell you something. Do not think that you have social media, you have audience that listen to you and that give you the right to talk to your own people the way you talk. Let me tell you, a time in life, you will see people around you and they are following you. They are clapping for you. They are like commenting, yes, we support you. But let me tell you, if you investigate very well, those people are your enemies. They're the ones who don't need your progress of your tribe, of where you come from. But you think you have people that are following you, that support what you are doing. Bro, be very, very careful. That is the only thing that I got to tell you. I don't care of whatever you are saying, but what I'm telling you is you have to be careful so that you will not join your enemy to sell at your own people. Because as Ogwanne, no matter what Nandikal have done in Igbo land, even what you are doing now, you can't even do it. You understand? So, despite however you see Nnamdi Kanu or Simon Ekpa or other people that are fighting for Biafra, believe in me, there's a way to handle things, not this way. Simon Ekpa, yes, he may be getting it wrong, which he sometimes will come here, will call him out and say, look, this side we don't need though, this side they have done it or we don't like because here we tell the truth with no fear, we don't even care who you are, but we will tell you the truth of what we want to tell you. So I advise you to re-strategy of how you talk to your own people. I understand where you are going, but rethink of how you talk to your own people. You get why, brother. Yeah, my wonderful people, please, I want you guys to share this video and make the video go viral, and also leave your own opinion in the comment section.